So I've been seeing this deconstructed burger bowl pop up on my Pinterest so many times over the last couple of months. So I decided that today we were gonna make it, and I think I want to make this a series, just trying different Pinterest inspired meals. So yeah, let's just get into it. Of course, I'm starting out by washing and cutting up my potatoes because what's a burger without French fries? So yeah, I'm just gonna cut them into fry-like pieces. I like to keep the skin on them, just personal preference, and also a little bit of laziness because I don't have the time to peel the skin off the potatoes. But yeah, so that's basically what I did here. And then I just threw it into a bowl and I cut about 2 to 3 potatoes. And then after that, I just showed you guys the burger. These are pre-made patties. I put some olive oil in a hot pan, and I got the patties from Aldi. They were unseasoned, but I just put the oil in the pan, and then I put my burger patties on, and yeah, that's pretty much that. Then I like to go with my seasoning while they're cooking. So I use this Kinder's blend. It has salt, pepper, and garlic. If you don't have this, then you can obviously just use salt, pepper, and garlic. But this stuff is so good. It's literally my new favorite all-purpose seasoning. And then I waited it to flip to apply the seasoning on both sides, of course. But I also use this burger seasoning that is from Grill Mates. And that was also pretty good. And then I also just went in with some Worcestershire sauce. That is such a crazy word to say, but yeah, I went in with some Worcestershire sauce. And yeah, and I kind of just let the patties cook from there. And then while those were cooking, I decided to cut up my toppings for the burger bowl. So that was lettuce and tomatoes in my case. Some people put pickles, some people put, I don't know, other things, onions. But I really don't like that stuff on my burger as it is. So I decided just to do the lettuce and the tomatoes, even though I also really don't like tomatoes, but I had to try something new. So I cut up and washed my lettuce. And then I also cut up these just cherry tomatoes that I got. Like I said, I don't really like tomatoes all that much. So I didn't cut up that many. But I just wanted to try it, make the bowl look cute. Then once that was done, I was really struggling, but I flipped the patties, and I flipped them a couple times just so they were cooking evenly throughout. But like I said, I was going to season the other side. And then I started on my fries. The grease was hot and bubbling, so I just put my fries in, which is always so freaking scary because I'm scared I'm going to burn myself. But thankfully I didn't, so I just put my fries in there so that those could cook. And now for the fun part, it's time to construct my deconstruct bowl. So I started out with the lettuce, and I didn't realize how slow these clips were. Basically, I was just taking all the ingredients and putting it into the bowl. And I also love these bowls. This is part of the reason why I wanted to even make this, because I have these cute bowls that I love to make these different meals in. So I put it in my burger patty, and then I kind of cut it up with a spatula just so it was in bite-sized pieces, because from what I've seen, a lot of the bowls are just ground beef, but I had the burger patty, so that's what we went with. And as you can see, I added my cheese. I just did shredded cheese. You can also do cube cheese. And I also added my tomatoes. Like I said, some people put pickles in this. They put onions, red onions, or grilled onions. You can really kind of just top it how you like it. And then the fries were done. So I put salt and Cajun seasoning on them to make some type of like Cajun fry. That's also what's at the bottom, like underneath the fries. I kind of like to put the seasoning on the bottom, put the fries down while they're hot, and then cover it up the top just to get all the flavor on all the fries. But then I put the fries in the bowl as well, and I thought it was super cute. A lot of times I see people put like a sauce on it, so I did sriracha mayo. I would definitely do something else next time. I have to kind of research what kind of sauce they're putting on it, but that's all I had. And I put ketchup on the side because I eat fries with my ketchup, or ketchup with my fries. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlogmas day 2 video. I know it's a little bit shorter, but I just wanted to make this Pinterest inspired meal, and I hope you stay tuned for the rest of December for the rest of vlogmas. But I will see you tomorrow. Duh.